here, is he?
No, he should be here soon.
Thank you. Okay.
Here.
Seeing this, no, Sarah just wanted a picture of the dog, you know, that's all. She didn't even know he's still alive.
What's in the bag?
Oh, there's this wrench thing you gotta bring down to somebody.
I'll walk around.
Yes, you walk with him, yes. She don't
I'll walk
care.
around in front of the building.
Yes, I'll walk with you anyway.
Okay.
Picture of him walking. Picture of him
You
walking.
can walk in front of the back.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you can
Oh,
over
yeah.
there.
Very windy.
There you go. Come on. Want to watch him smell the bag?
Oh, do I? And do his dirtiness.
We don't.
Okay.
Fucking wind, isn't it?
There we go. Okay. Too windy, man. I'm gonna take him over to the park now in a minute. You're the only blood relative I'm gonna see today. I do. I got cold this month, but is that going away just yet? Full congested this 2 or 3 weeks. Remember I was telling you I couldn't sleep for 2 days? Couldn't breathe for 2 days. Not that I was even sick. Tiny. Hello, Tiny. Yeah, run, Tiny, come on.
Are you ready? You stay. You stop.
Okay. Run, Tiny. Run, Bill. Run, Bill. Alright, that's good.